Right, people, new whip, say exeo. Got some cadiz wheels for it. Yeah, looks pretty sick. Nice car all round, to be fair. Joined like an exeo owners club on Facebook. He said, oh, you need some spacers for them. And to be fair, if you look at it like that, they are like sunk in to the wheel arch. So if you are looking to get some cadiz wheels, you're going to need some spacers apparently. So 15mm on the front and 20mm on the back. Ooh, thick. So yeah, and then you're gonna need the longer bolts as well. They're 20, so they're for the 20mm. Take it. That's a standard bolt, and so they're for the front, 15mm longer. They're for the back, 20mm longer. So yeah, once it's done, I'll show you what it looks like.